And still stay on the job. Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medical is here to talk about some great ideas that can help get your guy looking great with little or no downtime. Dr. Bill, always good to see you.
Good morning.
I know you brought a patient with you today, and we'll get to you in a minute, but you have a lot of procedures that cater specifically to problem areas for men.
Yes, we really are doing more and more men. There's been an uptick nationally, and we've seen that at the office. And most men are really interested in one of three areas. They're looking at their abdomen and love handles. Some of them are looking at their face. And then some of them are doing their breasts, their chest area, and that's what James is here to talk about for us today.
And James, we've talked about MOOBS on the show before. We actually giggle when we say it, but it's no laughing matter if you're a man and this is a problem for you. So what procedure did you have done? And let's talk about your before and after.
Well, I had the chest sculpting done. It had been an issue for quite some time, and I was concerned about it, and I just wanted to feel better about myself. So that's why I finally solved it and wanted to get it done, and here we are.
And James was a typical patient for you when you talked about excess tissue in the breast area for a man.
Yeah, he really was, and we have his before pictures here, and we can see that he had quite a bit of extra tissue up above.
Right.
And it was not that he's all that overweight. It was something that he'd been dealing with, and as he got older, as is typical, it tended to get worse and worse. So you can see also from the side that he really had a problem, and he's about 2 months out now, and he still has quite a bit of his improvement in front of him, but as you can see, he's already seen a real improvement, and I think it's changed his confidence and how he feels about himself.
Self-esteem, boosted my self-esteem, boosted my confidence.
I'm sure.
I feel better about myself.
Yeah, the way you wear clothes certainly.
Oh, certainly the clothes fit better, right. They fit better.
And you're about 2 months out and you're happy with the results?
April the 11th was the date that I had the procedure done, and so actually I'm able to fit into clothes a size smaller.
Not always the best part.
That's the best part.
Okay, all right. Well, I know you said that's one area we've talked about, but also love handles, abs are another.
Abdomens are another area we do a lot, and kind of like the gals, the guys have pretty much three different kinds of problems. We have those that just have loose skin, and this is a good example of a person that just has loose skin on the bottom of his abdomen, and you can see down here where he's just got all that extra stuff.
So men get that too, even if they lose weight, gain weight, whatever.
Especially with weight loss. And so Thermage is a great option for those, and we can see a real improvement. And then more guys have problems with having a little bit too much fat and other things.
So that lipo is a good option.
And liposuction is the best way. So here's a gentleman that really not too bad, you know, he's got a little bit of love handle here, and he doesn't have a lot of definition here in the center. But we went in and did some liposuction on him, and this is the same guy after about 6 months. And you can see how the love handles are now very well defined. He's got a lot of abdominal definition in the center. And here's another with, you know, just not too overweight, not too bad, but you go and you do, and you get the six-pack
Dr.
look.
Bill, is that you?
No,
Come on, tell the truth.
I can't do myself, Amy. What can I say? What can I say?
That's pretty impressive stuff. And I know the face, like, you know, this part of the neck, you know, sometimes, you know, not just men, I guess, but, you know, we want to fix that up too. We can do a lot of skin tightening for men around the face.
We see a lot of men that are coming in to do their face because they want to be more competitive and look more fit in the workplace. And so we do a lot of Botox. And because it really helps, because as we age, we tend to look tired or even angry. And so we do a lot of Botox on men, and then we're doing more and more Thermage on men because it really tightens up the jowls, can make that lower face really improve.
All right, what specials do you have for GMT viewers today?
Well, until the end of July, we're going to take $500 off men's abdominal procedures when they come in and do liposuction with us at Innovations Medical. All
right, good stuff. James, thanks for coming on GMT today and telling your story. That was great. And for more information, log on to innovationsmedical.com or give the Dallas office a call, 214-420-7970, and over in Fort Worth, 817-744-7901. And you can go in for that consultation, and you can drop